Next slide, please. So these are other sources of your vitamin C or your dietary sources. Example of that is your orange juice. So 3/4 cup, okay? Yung milligrams per serving ng vitamin C niya is 93. Okay? Ang nangyayari pa kasi ngayon, yung inflation po natin, nagmamahal ang pagkain, di ba? Hindi po tayo, aminin natin, hindi natin nabibili lahat ng mga food that will help us nourish. Okay? That's why we formulated products as, as an easier requirement for our dietary intake. Okay? Meron po kayong tanong? Inaantok pa po ba kayo kasi malamig sa Baguio? Inaantok pa po ba kayo? Morning! Morning! Okay. Next slide po. Okay. Ano ba ang ginagawa ng vitamin C sa ating katawan? Meron akong nabasang research. Ang vitamin C, okay, or sodium ascorbate, rather, it helps our white blood cells become stronger. Ibig sabihin, pag may infection, okay, it signals our white blood cells to go to the infection to fight the infection or to prevent the infection. Okay? Tandaan nyo, araw-araw, madami tayong na-encounter ng bacteria, virus, fungus, etc. That can affect the system of our immunity. Inaatake ng ating immunity. That's why sodium ascorbate, it helps, give immunity to our white blood cells in order to target, okay, soldiers. Pinapatay nila or prevent nila pagkakaroon ng infection. Okay?